In this tutorial, I will show you how to make the negative light procedurally in Blender. Okay, this is a sphere. Now let's take a new one, remove this one useless. Now take a add shader, right? Take emission and then take a refraction BSDF. Okay, yes. Now connect the shader to surface. Emission to this shader, emission to this shader, this BSDF to this one. Okay, now change this Beckman to sharp, and now I take a two color ramp, right? For the one is for emission and one is for refraction. Now take a color ramp and take a copy, Shift D, and connect this first color ramp with emission color one and this color to this IOR, right? Not a color. Okay, color should remain same. Okay, now change the color of first color ramp one. First change to the east. No, not east. B spline. RGB is okay. Now change the color of this one from black to orange. Okay, now little bit dark orange and put it. Yeah, I think yeah this one is fine. Okay, and little bit more close to this one, and this one should be the black. Okay, now I want, yeah, not white. Here's the black one, and little bit close to this one, and a little bit far from this one, I think. Yeah, I think it's okay, and this one should be little bit. Yes, okay. And then I change the color of this one. Okay, first I change it to the uh, material preview. Okay, here nothing changed. Now I change the color of this one. This one should be the pure white. Okay, yeah, this one, and this one should be changed to the color of 575757. Okay, yes. And now take another one, this one, and little bit close to here. Okay, yeah, now I take a dark one, little bit to here. Uh, I think yes here, and take another one to here, and I put here to the white one. The color should be white, so change it 575757. Sorry. F. 6 time F. Yes. It's a bit here. Okay. One black, one white, one dark. On this one, little bit not closer to this one. This one should be here, and one more which is the same color, and it should be the here. Okay, and change this linear to ease. Oh, nice. This one light, dark, light, dark, light, dark. Yeah, okay. A little bit move this one. Yeah, this one is okay. This is okay. Yes. Now the main thing is to change connect the another node which is a layer weight, right? This is the main node to convert our color into light. Facing to factor, facing to factor, sorry, facing to factor. Okay, and increase the blend value, not, I think, maybe, yeah, you can play with this value according to your need. Okay, or little bit increase the emission value for this one, and maybe 4.8, and change it to the render mode. Yes, now it's look fine. Yeah, okay, and now it's look like light, little bit glow light of negative effect. Right here is a negative, here this one is black, and this is the glowing effect of the light. Yeah, that's finished. I hope you like this one, and I hope you enjoyed. If you like this video or tutorial, please subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video. See you next time. Bye.